Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is April. Thank you so much for coming. So guys, today I will share with you how you can make this pair of pants using a pair of pants as a pattern. In fact, you can make a pants if you already have one. So guys, if you want to know how you can make another pair of pants, then please keep on watching. Use a pair of pants that you like and fits you well to make a pattern. I'm using my favorite jeans that fits me well and high-waisted. Fold it in half, make sure that it is completely flat, then start tracing. As you can see guys, I am using a pattern paper to make my patterns, but if you don't have one, then you can use a newspapers if you have. That will do. So guys, this is very important. You have to add more space or more room for that part. Yes, that tiny part needs a room. Now that we are done tracing, we can start cutting. Okay, now we are done making the back side pattern. Now we have to do it again for the front side. I like to add front pockets for this pants, but this is optional guys. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. You can just skip this part if you don't like adding front pockets. Honestly guys, those pocket patterns were too small. I needed to add more centimeters to make them a little bit bigger. So guys, make sure not to make the same mistake. By the way, I'm sorry, my bad. But don't worry, for the rest it came out just fine. By the way guys, even though there were mistakes, please do not forget to like, to comment down below if you have any questions, and to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Thank you so much! This is the fabric that I will be using for this project. But if you are new to sewing, I will not recommend this kind of fabric because this is really hard to work with. Start with the plain fabrics. Before cutting this kind of fabric, you have to make sure that the lines are matching. Okay, I'm done cutting all the pieces that I will need to make the pants. First thing first, we have to attach the inside pockets to the front side piece pants, I guess. Well, you know what I mean, right? Start sewing. I'm using a sewing machine, but if you don't have, you can definitely use your hands. Why not? I meant you can sew it by hand. Now the inside pocket is well secured. Attach the front side pocket to the inside pocket. Do it again to the other front side piece. If you're not adding front pockets, you can skip this part and go to the next step. Attach these two pieces together facing right sides. Do the same thing for the back side pieces. If you are not using stretchy fabric, then you might need to add a zipper. But as I am using stretchy fabric, I will not need to add a zipper or a buttons. Now we just have to attach these two pieces together facing right sides. Yeah, if it was that easy. To be honest, it took me forever to attach these two pieces. That is because of the lines on this fabric. If you want them to match, they will give you a hard time. So if you have the same problem, what you can do is to sew it by hand first, making sure that all the lines are matching. You have more control when you're sewing by hand. Using pins alone is not enough. As you can see guys, the lines are matching. It is not perfect, but it is good enough. Now we just need to add the waistband and we are almost done. For the waistband, for me personally, it's okay if the lines doesn't match. Now we just need to add the elastic and we are done. That was easy, right? Well, what do you think? This is my first time sewing a pair of pants. I hope that you liked it. Finally, we are done. Now let me show you the final result. Here it is. I also added the back pockets. Now let me put this on and show you how it looks on me. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you do, please do not forget to like, to comment down below if you have any questions, and to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Thank you so much.